Registered 14-year service as well this week, so big season there.
12 years service as well.
Barb, got to wait. David, can you tell Barb just to wait 5 minutes as well, mate? Don't mind.
How do you, mate?
Can you just tell Barb to wait 5 minutes?
I can.
Toolbox, thanks, mate. Nothing for the switch on here, guys. About 488 days without an incident. Don't think we have any mentors. Touch on that. Safety events and bulletin. So, the one that's come out of recent, like that. So, working practice bulletin. So, the new SEC fuse bases. So, I believe the question's been raised to the SOC about the clearances between SEC fuse base. So, we can't work on the DF base because of clearance reasons. New SEC base wider, and they give us the suitable clearance to be able to work live on the energized site. Basically, it's gone to the committee, the investigator, and they're still deeming it a very high-risk task, and they don't want that ruling to change. So that's still going to remain a live line task. Nothing's going to change there, although the clearance is larger. So if anyone had that thought come up before, that's what that's about. Too much anyway. So it is being talked about the business, but I 100% agree that's way too unsafe to be throwing hands up there without some gloves on. Some depot movement. So we're pleased to advise that Renee Wall has been successful in the advertised project support officer role. So Renee recommends back with us from the 3rd of March after a short stint over the fence with Saturn. So Renee will work across the wider distribution group. So please welcome Renee when she gets here. She'll be a good asset to our business here as we're growing bigger and bigger. Enable lines, George, you pass this one. So just to enable lines from last week, so we had damage to the back yellow handrail. The tree branch caught the back handrail and pulled it backwards, causing it to bend and break a little bit. We still drive the truck and escalated to T76 for repairs. Any comments on that, guys? I'm not too sure how it happened, whether it was tree cutting or general operation. Driving out switching. Yeah, be mindful, obviously, some tight spots there, and that's a very fragile part as well, it can bend very easily. We had an SETI, so the taps were left open over one weekend. Found the tyre flat to the rim, coming back from that. Bridgestone sent out a mechanic who reported the valve stem on both front wheels were loose, resulting in flat tyres. So this was raised to the supervisors to check trucks from Pool Depot, Old Depot. I'm not too sure, but make sure we're turning our SETI taps off over long weekends and over breaks. Not too sure if it's going to save a problem in this instance. But they do go flat, especially if they've got punches in tyres. We drain every single tyre flat just out of one puncher. General Depot, we have footy tipping back to 2025. So Quiddy runs this program, runs quite well. So if you're interested in joining, what have we got? We need $30 buy-in to join the tipping competition. So first prize will be a 50% split of the prize pool, second will be 30%, third will be 20%. So there was actually some good dollars to be won last year, I believe, there. So if you're interested, please jump aboard. Everyone's welcome, wives, partners, husbands, etc. So please speak to Quiddy and we'll get that kicked off. When is the season, mate? It's not too far. Crank it up quick. Again, they're extending the Olympic Dam roster for assistance. So if anyone's interested in joining the Olympic Dam availability roster, I think everyone knows the details. If you want anything more, see Cam, he knows all about it. So please get your expressions back as soon as possible if you're interested to continue or join that roster. A reminder, so email last week. If you need to borrow equipment for whatever reason, just make sure we're leaving notes, calling, texting the person responsible for that truck. Ensure they know where the things have gone and can follow up accordingly if the item is not returned. Further to that, if you're borrowing equipment because you've lost or broken your tool, or you never had that tool in your truck, just please escalate it. Go see Damo, very approachable man. He'll get it sorted for you and get it replaced, right? We don't need to be pitching off trucks. I think it's getting a little bit out of control. Guys are chasing up with missing tools, broken tools, and yeah, it just all around slowing us down. So please come see us, see Damo, get your tools fixed, get your truck organised. We don't want to be forever pitching stuff and just wasting time. That was it for Toolbox. Anything from you guys? Bit cool today, guys. Obviously, still very hot. So look after yourself, stay cool, and see you again.